Several new building projects are in the design or programming phase. At the core of the campus will be the Innovation Hub. This 70,000 square foot high-tech complex is set to open in fall of 2025, and it will house a makerspace, entrepreneurship center, the Energy Transition Institute, innovation programs, and faculty labs. A brand new 42,000 square foot food hall featuring cuisine from budding chefs will open next fall. It will be located on top of the hill where the old Student Center satellite used to be. The Hobby School of Public Affairs' new home is in the programming stage. The new 60,000 square foot building will offer state-of-the-art teaching and collaborative spaces for students, faculty, and staff. A new academic building housing technology programs in Sugar Land is in the planning phase and should break ground next summer. Finally, a new research and education building is in the programming phase in TMC 3 of the Texas Medical Center. Several other major renovation projects are also underway. Our existing building in TMC is being renovated to house the new UH Population Health Initiative. The core renovation project, which included major renovations of 6 buildings, is halfway finished, with McElhaney renovations set to be completed next year.